In this video, we'll show you how to properly wash stuffed animals, whether they've been part of your child's playtime or are cherished keepsakes. Stuffed animals can collect dust, dirt, and even allergens over time, so regular cleaning is important to keep them fresh and safe. Let's dive into the best methods to clean stuffed animals without damaging them. To wash your stuffed animals, you'll need mild detergent, a mesh laundry bag if machine washing, a soft brush or sponge for spot cleaning, and clean towels for drying. You may also want to check the care label on the stuffed animal to see if any specific instructions are provided. If your stuffed animal is too delicate to machine wash, or if it has features like electronic components, spot cleaning is the safest option. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with water and dip a soft cloth or sponge into the solution. Gently dab and wipe the soiled areas, taking care not to soak the fabric. After cleaning, use a clean, damp cloth to remove any soap residue. Then let the stuffed animal air dry. If the stuffed animal is machine washable, place it inside a mesh laundry bag or pillowcase to protect it during the wash cycle. Use the gentle or delicate cycle on your washing machine with cold water and add a small amount of mild detergent. Avoid bleach or harsh chemicals, as they can damage the fabric or color of the stuffed animal. Once the cycle is complete, carefully remove the stuffed animal from the bag. For a safer alternative to machine washing, hand washing is often recommended. Fill a basin or sink with cold or lukewarm water and add a small amount of mild detergent. Submerge the stuffed animal and gently squeeze it to work the soapy water through the fabric. Be careful not to twist or wring the toy, as this can cause damage. After washing, drain the water and rinse the stuffed animal thoroughly with clean water. Once the stuffed animal is clean, gently press out excess water by squeezing it, but don't wring it. Place the toy on a clean towel and roll it up to absorb more water. To dry the stuffed animal, air drying is the safest method. Lay it flat on a clean towel or hang it in a well-ventilated area. Avoid using a dryer, as the heat can damage the stuffing or fabric. If necessary, place the stuffed animal near a fan to speed up drying. Once the stuffed animal is dry, it may need some fluffing to restore its original shape. Gently shake and squeeze it to redistribute the stuffing evenly. For particularly matted fur or fabric, use a soft brush to carefully brush out any tangles or creases. Whether you choose to hand wash, machine wash, or spot clean, these steps will ensure that your child's favorite toys stay soft and safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips and home care guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.